I'm going to say shrimp ravioli. That's what I'm going to say. Oh, so scrumptious. Get that water boiling. Follow directions on the back. Get that all mixed in. And like I said, follow the directions on the back. Look at that ravioli. It's getting there. Once that is done, make sure you drain that. Set it to the side. Go ahead and get that shrimp ready. We're going to add a little bit of Old Bay seasoning. Yes, I am leaving the tails on. The tails do add flavor. Now you're going to go ahead and get that pot ready. Add a little olive oil. Just a tad bit, not too much. Go ahead and dump that shrimp in there. We're going to cook this for about 4 minutes. Mix that all around. Yes, sir. Get that all mixed. We're going to add some ground black pepper. And some parsley flakes. Get that all mixed in. Gonna let that saute, like I said, for about 3 to 4 minutes. But to start a show, if you ain't got time to do it, is that Bertolli Alfredo sauce. Yes, sir, out the jar. This is, to me, the best Alfredo sauce out the jar if you don't have time to make it yourself. You got a busy lifestyle. You use it out the jar. Just make sure you make it taste even better out the jar. Add a little bit of parsley flakes to it. You know, you got to do what you got to do. Add just a sprinkle of slap your mama. Mix that all in. Gonna let that cook for about 1 minute. Add your ravioli back to it. Incorporate that into the sauce. Look at it. So scrumptious. Delicious. Put that lid on. Let it cook for about 1 minute. About 1 minute. 1 minute later. Yes, sir. Ready. Dinner. On the table. On a Thursday night. Or any night you ready for it. Thank you for watching.